Today we are making a super easy and simple vanilla bean ice cream in the Ninja Creami that is smooth, creamy, and delicious, and only 146 calories for the entire container. Yeah, you heard me. It's coming up right now on The Cog is Shred. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is John, and I've lost over 130 pounds naturally through mindful eating and daily walking. And on this channel, I'm sharing some recipes that I enjoy that can help you to lose weight and keep it off. Today, I'm keeping it simple, just good old classic vanilla bean. I think this flavor is honestly fine on its own. It's a really good ice cream flavor, but it's also really good for mixing stuff in. And since it's so low in calories, you can mix in all kinds of things and still have a low-calorie ice cream, whether it's some Oreo Thins or some chocolate or graham crackers or whatever you think would go well mixed into vanilla ice cream. In fact, recently, after my first spin on the Creami, I added a spoonful of peanut butter and hit respin. Oh my goodness. So good. Anyway, without further ado, let's make this simple vanilla bean ice cream. Let's get cooking. So we will start this ice cream off with 1 cup of Fairlife fat-free milk. And now let's add some fat to that fat-free milk with a little bit of heavy cream. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. I used to always use 1 egg yolk, which also works just fine. But I had a few people asking if there was an alternative to using an uncooked egg yolk, and very close in calories and fat content, works really well, and honestly it comes out a little bit creamier and tastes a little bit better. We're gonna add a pinch of salt. This is about 1/16 of a teaspoon. There we go, just a little. Don't oversalt your ice cream, ever. Salty! Just don't.
Don't do it!
Don't.
I wasn't gonna.
Good. Don't.
I mean, unless you want really salty ice cream, but I have a feeling you probably don't.
I wasn't.
Perfect. Don't.
All right, let's add 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan gum. And for sweetness, we will add 3 tablespoons of Monkfruit and Erythritol sweetener, or whatever sweetener you prefer. And the final ingredient for this vanilla bean ice cream is vanilla bean paste. This is pure vanilla bean paste. I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon. If you want more vanilla flavor, you could do a full teaspoon. Just add, I think, 7 or 8 extra calories. It's really not bad. And that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the blades on. Give this a little bit of a spin and a shake. Shake. And this is ready to go on the blender. All right, the blender is ready. I got the ice cream mixture here. Let's go ahead and blend this up.
A few moments later.
All right, and that is ready. So now just go ahead and pour this into a Ninja Creami pint, put the lid on it, and freeze it for 24 hours.
The next day.
All right, I got the frozen vanilla bean ice cream right here. Let's go ahead and put this in the Ninja Creami because I am really excited to give this a shot. It's gonna be a nice, simple, smooth vanilla ice cream. Put this in here, turn the machine on, and hit Lite Ice Cream for our first spin. Here we go. All right, first spin is done. Let's take a quick look at it. I think it probably is gonna need, I think 1 more spin. So I'm gonna add a splash of milk. Just add 1 tablespoon more of the Fairlife milk. Put it back in. We'll spin it 1 more time. We're gonna hit respin, and it's gonna be good to go. All right, it should be ready. Let's take a look. Open this up. Yeah, there we are. Perfect. Look at that. There is our smooth, creamy vanilla bean ice cream. Oh man. Here it is, the super low calorie Ninja Creami vanilla bean ice cream. Let's give it a shot. Simple, smooth, light, and fluffy. It's got that vanilla bean flavor. I like that because it's different from just the imitation vanilla. It's got a real natural vanilla taste. One thing I love about this too is this works as such a good base for so many other flavors. You can start with this. It's really low calorie as it is, and then add stuff to it. If you want to add a spoonful of peanut butter, if you want to add some chocolate, whatever flavors you want to add, this is a wonderful starting point. And on its own, it's just a nice, simple vanilla ice cream. Let me get a little bit more. Love it. Wonderful. All right. Let's go over the macros. So, this entire container of vanilla bean ice cream is 146 calories. That's it. 146 calories. That's one of the lowest ones I've done yet. 146 calories, 9 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat, 13 grams of protein. I mean, come on. You cannot beat that. A whole container of ice cream for 146 calories? That's crazy.
It's crazy.
It's tasty, it's simple, it's super enjoyable. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to The Cog is Shred for more recipes and other videos related to my weight loss and fitness journey. And if you have any ideas for ice creams or other recipes you might like to see in the future, leave them in the comments below and let me know. I would love to know what you guys want to see. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, keep on eating.